Hey, what's up, guys? This is your artist Criz, and you're watching Creations. So, welcome back to another episode of Perspective. Today, we will talk about two-point perspective. So, in this perspective, we need to use two vanishing points, but with having a common horizon line. And the rule will be the same, like every line meets the vanishing point, as we discussed in the previous video of one-point perspective. To understand this, let's try to make a cube. I'm going to follow the grid to obtain the line. Each line will follow its own vanishing point and process will go on. Overall, the concept is the same as one point perspective. So yeah. You can again practice more by drawing more cubes at different angles or different heights. So yeah, just remember the rule that we need two vanishing point instead of one and one horizon line. So basically we need to use two-point perspective because for example, if we are looking up, like a house from a corner or any object from the corner, we observe we having a vision of two-point perspective, that each of the ends meeting a different vanishing points. So that gives more dramatic, what we can say, dramatic scene to our drawings. Or yeah, pretty much that is pretty much that it looked more dramatic and more intense. So yeah, let's try to draw something to understand it more. So after marking the grid and setting the perspective, I'm gonna draw the box. I'm thinking to draw a car. According to the box, I'm gonna shape the car by following the lines. So details can be made up by following the grid and follow the box that you created first. Let's try to draw something else. Again, I'm defining the box and then adjusting the box with the definition of a plane or a ship. So I hope you understand the concept. Let's try to be more ambitious. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, share with your friends. Till then, stay creative, do creation, and this is Artist Criz.